What's up guys, it's DonutMaxsteel doing another video. Yeah, stop doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the Boogie down for free. The Boogie down for Fortnite. My Fortnite app is right here. I have the Boogie down. That was cool. So first we're gonna open that. Type in hold up. To Epic Games. Go to Epic Game. Wait, no. EpicGames.com. Games.com. Click that one. It should say. So to get the Boogie Down dance, you're gonna go into account. You're gonna want to go to password and security. And go down. Click that. Well, since I already have one, I don't want to do it. So then you're gonna want to open another tab. Go to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail. And then, yeah, I'm supposed to upload a video by Monday. And then, like, you should see the notification you got right there. You're gonna click it, you're gonna get it, and then, yeah. And then you're gonna go to your Fortnite account. You want to go to your Fortnite account, and then there you go. And then you have it. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, here it goes. And there you go. It should pop up on your screen, but I have it. My skin. There you go, you got the Boogie down. I actually have it. Yeah. Didn't take too long. And that's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel, it's right there. If you want it even better, head to youtube.com. Oops. I'll watch weird stuff. Over here. Go to my channel. And then hit DonutMaxsteel. So you're gonna type up there. DonutMaxsteel, and then you should have all my vids. All my vids. And go ahead and subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel. It is Raymond's Toy Review. And
even I made a video with my cousin Daniel.
that's all today. Okay, so. Bye bye.